Thank you. Welcome back to ObaMATH in the White House. By ObaMATH.org. Mike got a lot of miles. Yeah. Today we're going to be doing the double angle formulas. There are 3 of them. Sine of 2 times the angle, cosine of 2 times the angle, and tangent of 2 times the angle based on this particular information. So let's actually get into it. If we're in quadrant 2, we're over here. Sine of the angle is 3 over 5. Where's the 3 go? Where's the 5 go?
The 3
is opposite.
Opposite.
Yep.
The 5 is
5.
very good.
Negative
3,
4.
4, 5 is negative 4 because we're to the left.
Yep.
By the way, you guys, we're doing this highly conceptually. Just want to put that out there. You don't recognize it, but I do because I'm observing your process. You're getting very comfortable. You're getting comfortable with the idea, like if you see this, this means quadrant 2 because you're between 90 and 180 degrees. And then filling in the triangles so that you can conceptualize all these. All right. So there's a formula for this. Again, a reminder to the teachers, I would supply students with formulas and have them work through it as opposed to memorization. Memorization is not really the way. Conceptualization is. So this is the formula. 2 sine that. Do we agree as a class?
Yes.
Yes. Students don't like to memorize stuff that's unnecessary.
Because like you just memorize it for the time being and you completely forget it.
Right.
It's not learning.
Application is more important, okay? Application. So let's talk about it. If we wanted sine of twice this angle, it would be this. So again, we don't really care what the angle is. We just care what the ratios are. Equals 2. What is sine of the angle? It's given.
3 over 5.
And what is cosine of this angle?
Negative 4 over 5.
Jason, very good. You're getting very comfortable with that. Negative 4 over 5. It easily stays with it. Equals. Go ahead.
Which equals 6
Times.
over 5. Wait.
Yeah, why don't we go all the way? Would you like to make this 2 over 1? A lot of students like to see it that way.
Yeah.
All right, here it is.
So can you just do like
Multiply across. It's all multiplication.
So 2 times
over 5
so 6 times 4
negative 4 is
negative
-8
20.
over 5.
What?
multiply.
Negative 8.
Multiply. 6 times negative 4.
Negative 24.
Negative 24. Okay,
And
we're not going to
then
leave you behind. We won't leave you behind.
1 times 5 is 5, and then times 5 is 25.
There's your answer. That's sine of 2
Oh,
times
that's
the
so
angle.
chilling.
It is. By the way, you recall, like if an angle is in quadrant 2, if you multiply it by 2, let's say this was 100 degrees. For example, 100 degrees is right in here. Multiply it by 2, where would you be?
Quadrant 3.
Quadrant 3. And is sine negative here?
Yeah.
Remind me, how many students take calculus?
All students.
All students take calculus.
Take calculus. And sine is positive here. Tangent's positive here. Cosine is positive here. And all trig functions are positive there. So it would make sense that sine of double the angle, you end up in quadrant 3, sine would be negative here. Because here tangent's positive. Cosine positive, all positive, sine positive. All right, let's do cosine of 2 times the angle. Next formula. Cosine of 2 times the angle equals cosine squared of the angle minus sine squared of the angle. All right, that's all it is. That's all it is. We just apply the process.
Okay.
What is cosine of the angle?
Cosine of the angle is negative 4
3
over 5.
Squared. Good job. Minus, what is sine of the
3
angle?
over
5.
5, yeah.
Bravo. Squared.
And then squared, it's going to be negative 16 over 20.
Positive.
16 over 25
Negative times negative is positive.
minus
Minus
9 over 25.
25. Very
Which
good.
is 7 over 25.
7 over 25.
What?
Is that the end?
That's it. Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
This is simple.
Yeah,
I
it's
like
not bad. Yeah, we got it right.
Pretty good.
Let's verify. I'm a little concerned that double the angle in quadrant 2 is positive. Let's see. If there's 100 angle. Oh, wait.
Because it's sine, isn't it?
Wait, yeah. If this was. It's cosine. Why is cosine positive over here? It's okay. I'm going to figure this out right now. So let's say this angle was hypothetically 120. Cosine of 2 times 120 should be
240.
240. Let's say would be right around here. Cosine of the angle, sine of the angle, 16 over, okay, I can cut this out. Don't dwell, I fix. I fix you. So negative sine 3 divided by 5. The actual degrees is 36 degrees. Fine. So this is 36 degrees in there. 180 minus. Second answer. This is 143 in quadrant 2 times 2. 286. Go over here. So now we're going to do cosine of that angle. Why is cosine of 286? Oh, wow. Sometimes you're in quadrant 4. That's what it was. 286 is in quadrant 4. Yeah.
And cosine is
Positive. There. Okay, that worked it out. That worked it out. Okay, so that makes sense.
All right.
And this is 7 over 25, right? I did cosine of 286.
Yeah.
Should be 7 divided by 25. 7 over 25 is 0.28. The calculator tells me that. Okay. That's a relief. We got one more. And do tangent of 2 times the angle. This will be a quick one, huh?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Okay. You'll recognize the numbers. I actually did it. Tangent 2 times angle is 2tan theta over 1 minus tan squared theta. All right. So if we want 2 times the tangent of 2 times the angle, that's 2 times.
It's 3 over negative 4.
Right, so the fraction is negative 3 over 4.
Yep.
All over.
Over 1 minus negative 3 over 4 squared.
Yeah. Bravo. So the top becomes?
6 over 8.
Yes, becomes?
Oh,
well,
6
actually,
over 4.
No,
sorry.
it's just.
Oh, it's negative 3 over 2.
Yeah.
Negative 3 over 2.
Right.
All over.
1
minus.
is
negative 9.
negative
9 over
wait.
16, which becomes.
Yep, he's got it.
Which is?
Which is
It's just
16 over 16, which is
7 over
7 over 16,
which is the same as negative 3 over 2 times 16 over 7. Which then you can,
simplify 1 and 8.
2 is 1, and then it's 8, and then it's negative 24 over 7.
Bravo. And now we can verify that.
Look at that.
If you're in quadrant, if you're over here, what was the value? It was 143 is over here.
Mm-hmm.
Multiplied by 2 is 286. We are in now quadrant 4.
4.
Is tangent negative in quadrant 4?
Yes.
It is. That's a good check. That was it. Give yourselves a hand.
Woo!
Thank you. Thank you.
ObaMATH!
ObaMATH.
ObaMATH!
Forever.
Hello, I'm President Barack Obama. In any approaching election season, it is of the utmost importance to vote. Your vote directly shapes the future of our nation. Simply Google how to register to vote for details in your area. I'm Barack Obama, and I approve this message.